The show is about a family who had a falling out, I'd say like 10 years ago, and haven't really seen each other since then. The play is starting in a moment where they are reuniting after years of like, I guess, not talking, and there's a lot of tension and unresolved issues.
I thought you went back to...
Why are you here? Why is she here?
Why wouldn't I be here?
You told me that I had to come get my inheritance from Nono, and you promised that no one else would be here.
Inheritance from Nono.
So Dom is the grandchild of the grandfather who has passed away. He's estranged from his family. He's been away for about 10 years. There's like a break that caused him to leave, which you learn about in the show. But he's been away for a long time and is returning to find out what his inheritance is and also rediscover kind of what his connection is now to like this space and this family.
As if you can even feel a few grand. I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
I'll be inside, Mimi.
Come back! That family is fractured for so many reasons, and we start discovering the characters through those very difficult moments. I think that anybody who has gone through a death in a family will understand quite a few things, and they will sort of compare their own experience with the experiences of Madeleine and her grandchildren. So it's a very universal subject, I think.
With life being so short and also so long, what are the ways that we allow ourselves to restart within our relationships?
It's going to be painful, and it's going to be beautiful at the same time.